Hey, I'm Taylor Patterson, and I'm a developer on the Eclipse Integrated Computational Environment, or NiCE for short. I just wanted to share with you the work that we've been doing to bring visualization capabilities into NiCE through the deep integration of the VisIt Visualization Toolkit. So without much more introduction, let's take a look at it. The visualization capabilities in NiCE utilize the new visualization perspective. This perspective can be accessed by clicking on the Open Perspective icon, or by going to Window, Perspectives, and selecting Other. From the dialog, select Visualization. In order to begin rendering and manipulating images with VisIt, we must establish a connection to VisIt by pressing the Launch VisIt button. This button presents a dialog with 3 VisIt connection options. We can launch VisIt on the same machine that is running NiCE, launch on a remote machine, or connect to an existing VisIt session. Let's take a look at a local launch. In order to launch VisIt locally, we only need to specify the directory containing the VisIt executable. We can enter this directory into the text field or press Browse to navigate to it. Optionally, we can set a port number for this connection and a password. These options are useful when you wish to share this connection with another user. This will become clearer when I discuss the connection to VisIt option later. We must specify a name for this connection before pressing Finish. Following a successful launch and connection, a VisIt editor is created. To create a plot to render, we must add a file to the visualization file viewer. In this case, we add the file from the local file system. Our file selection appears in the visualization file viewer. To create a plot from this file, press the plus icon in the VisIt plot viewer. In the resulting dialog, we can browse the plots that can be created from the file. Any number of plots may be selected. For now, we will just select one of them. The selected plot appears in the VisIt plot viewer. Clicking on this plot renders it in the VisIt editor. The plot may be rotated by clicking and dragging with the mouse, and the zoom can be controlled with the mouse wheel. Let's create a second VisIt connection. This time we will launch VisIt on a remote machine. A remote connection requires the host name of the remote machine and the path to the VisIt executable on that machine. Again, we have the option to set a connection port and password. Additionally, we have the option to use a gateway to establish a connection in the case that we are on a different network than the host machine. We provide a name for this connection and press Finish. The SSH connection to the remote machine will cause a prompt to confirm authentication and will ask for your password for the remote machine. A new VisIt editor is created for this connection. To render an image in this editor, we must open a file on the remote machine. We navigate to the file we wish to open and select it. Again, our file selection appears in the file viewer, and we create a plot from the file by pressing the Add Plot button in the plot viewer. Select this plot to render it in the VisIt editor. The final option for establishing a VisIt connection is to connect to a session that has already been launched. Connecting to a running session requires a hostname, port number, and password. Here is where the optional port and password for the previous scenarios can be useful. If you wish to share your VisIt session with another user, you can provide that user with the port and password you used to launch VisIt, and they can view the same plot you are viewing. I won't go all the way through this connection in this demonstration. There you have it. This software is being actively developed, so please try it out by downloading NiCE from our website. Please email me with any questions or feedback. We're always looking to improve the user experience of these tools. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to watch the videos created by my colleagues to see the other cool stuff that we are doing with NiCE.